Okay.
Welcome.
I will begin. I will keep admitting around 50 are there. So, dear students, welcome to this first session of AICT sponsored Skill and Personality Development Program of KIT's College of Engineering. I welcome you all. I also welcome our director, Dr. Vivi Karjini, who is the principal coordinator, chief coordinator of this particular program. I welcome Professor Dr. Amit Sarkar sir, who is Dean Alumni and Corporate Relations, as well as Head Training and Placement Department of KIT's College of Engineering. I extend my warm welcome to Professor Dr. M.S. Kalas, HOD of Computer Science Department, and Dr. B.J. Sate, HOD of Basic Sciences and Humanities. And my heartfelt welcome are due to Mr. George, today's resource person. Before I introduce him and hand over him the session, request our director, sir, the principal coordinator of this Skills and Personality Development Program of AICT, to say a few words about the program and expectations. Dr. V.V. Karjani, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Maheshinde. Good morning to one and all. Mr. George,
Good morning, sir.
Dr. Sarkar, Dr. Kalash Madam, Dr. Pate, and other dear student friends. It's indeed a great pleasure in inaugurating the very first program on AICT sponsored soft skill development and personality skill development project funded by AICT. In fact, Mr. George was interacting with me almost since last 2 years, and I was telling him, we have some proposals, let it materialize, and we'll take forward your associationship. And in the meantime, there's a pandemic. Almost we have lost around 39 months. But even then, Mr. George, my team at KIT, they did not feel any heat of COVID or pandemic. That's very simple reason. Uh, Before Modi ji started lockdown, 21st March, my team had started delivering lectures online from very 6th of March. We had foreseen, and we had vacated all our campus safely. All students reached their home, and they were all busy. Even take the online examinations during pandemic, wherein almost 500 parents were banking up us, but government did not allow us. So we were rather equipped, like whatsoever is situation, we immediately aligned to face the situation, and we kept connected. In fact, Dr. Sarkar so arranged series of inspiration lectures from corporate people, right from Reliance Jio, then Microsoft, and many companies to name. So this is the kind of initiative, and similarly, we had some queries in this program. We got around 11.5 lakhs grant for this, and there was no clarity how we should go implementing this. As soon as we received letter in the month of August 7th itself, Dr. Mahesh Shinde shooted a query to AICT, and because probably for this pandemic, last month we had online interaction meeting with AICT.
Right.
That time they reviewed our progress, and we said we are fully equipped. We have shared our data bank of students, our action plan and everything. Only thing we said, we are waiting your. Otherwise also, as far as infrastructure is concerned, we had put almost 25 smart classrooms in place in KIT in the last 1 year. So when they saw all these efforts, next day we got the clearance, clarity, everything, how to go ahead with that. And as soon as that clarity came, I think Mahesh is in touch with you, and he scheduled this webinar to the students. And in fact, George is a very positive person, I should call him, because every day he sends a video or a message which kept all my team members, including me, positive during this, lockdown.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, and this is the team I have at KIT who are well aware. So also you can see the response from students. They are also very enthusiastic. They have seen the ups and downs. As you rightly said, they never take down as down. They take down as another stepping stone to reach the next goal in their life. So with this, I congratulate my colleague Dr. Mahesh Shinde for instrumental in getting this fund. Also, I thank management who wholeheartedly supported in implementing the project. Our chairman, Mr. Bharat Patil, Vice Chairman, Mr. Sunil Kulkarni, Secretary, Mr. Deepak Chogle, requirement to be implemented. And once again, I extend my warm welcome to all my colleagues, all my students, and hand over my responsibility to Dr. Maheshinde. Maheshinde.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Uh, Let me introduce our today's resource person, Mr. George. George, sir. I guess
Just, I think he's,
some connectivity issues.
you are
Actually,
audible to all, but I think George is a
okay.
problem. Just check.
Yeah. In the morning, some at his end. So he has. Let me introduce,
His mic got disconnected. You can introduce. In the meantime, let us see, and then
Yeah.
you can get connected.
Yeah, you can. George is the founder and CEO of Pune. He has done his masters in arts from Pune University, as well as he has done 2 years diploma in psychology from the University of Duke's, London. His NLP specialization with Michael Hall. He has total 31 years of working experience in corporate world with various companies like Forbes, Gokak, Firodia Group, Tatas, and others. He has 5 years of training corporate world with companies like Torque, Volkswagen, Cognizant. He's a well-known person in spreading this communication and personality development with the students of rural area. He has so many other NGOs which he is running, and he is a part of some of the other NGOs wherein he is helping the students to develop their personality and come up with a new version of themselves. So it's our pleasure to have Mr. George with us today to talk on the topic your personality, your brand. So I welcome him again, and we'll wait for him. I guess there are some issues at his end. He's putting in chat. We'll just wait for him and we'll start as soon as he resolves his issues at his end.
In the meantime, Dr. Mahesh Shinde, you can share the action plan, and even Amit Sarkar can take charge, and what next stages we are having under this program. You can just share.
Okay. Now many of the students are posting me. There are some problems for them to connect, but I have not put any restrictions. The meeting is completely unlocked. Those who have joined, please, the students who have joined, please ask your friends, your colleagues, what did you face any problem or how you joined the meeting? Just tell them the same process. If they put meeting ID and password, they will be able to join. Even by clicking the link, also they can join. So meanwhile, I and Dr. Sarkar sir take some time to introduce about the program and the next plan. You can ask your friends to or help them to join. Um, Talking about this program, skill and personality development for SC/ST students, though it is especially granted for SC/ST students, it will be definitely first priority to those students, but it will be open for all, as we are going to get benefited from all such activities. So why the AICT has, with what purpose program? So the first purpose behind this program is to help the students to develop, and as communication skills and proficiency in communication is also part of their personality, it is titled
हाय हाय
as
बराबर आहे.
communication and personality development. So they are
हाँ मैं
expecting to
Dear
that.
students, please mute your mics. Dear students, please mute your mics. It disturbs.
Yeah, I'll do from here. I'll mute all. Okay. Are requested, please, if you are asked, definitely you are supposed to unmute yourself and respond, or you can respond in chat. Mr. George is going to make this session interactive. So I was talking about the purpose. The AICT is very keen about developing the personality of all the students, and that's why they have started come up with this unique program. This is not given to all the institutes. They do very rigorous scrutiny, and then only they give it. We tried for last 4 years, and this year 1920 we have got this sanction. So let us take benefit of all the activities that we are arranging for new students under this particular program. We are going to arrange various seminars, conferences, workshops, competitions, open houses, guest lectures, language lab activities, along with your, in addition with your regular academics. So it is expected that you are supposed to take benefit. Actually, this is not a free of cost, because AICT is paying on behalf of you. So it is paid, let us say it is paid on behalf of you by someone. So you have to take the benefit of this. And as the being the co-coordinator of this program, I promise to the available in the market, in the area, to give you, so that you get something new and useful for your development of your personality. So this Mr. George sir session, it will be, we are definitely targeting holidays, as I discussed with you on WhatsApp and on Telegram. So Sunday and Monday we will plan 1 hour session, 2 hour session, till we get our face-to-face lectures started. After that, we can plan with a huge number and a day long sessions and so on. So as it is online, I'm targeting Sunday, Monday, and other holidays, and not more than 2 hours session. So George will conduct 5 sessions on next 5 days. Topics and all that I'll disclose one by one. Today being your personality, your brand value, as well as there will be 1 hour or 2 hour session on communication skills and soft skills by Dr. SM on Sundays. So to these 2 months, we are going to focus more on the communication, soft skill, and personality development. In the month of December and in next academic year, maybe January onwards, we are going to segregate, and I'm targeting to give training to the students as per their need. Like they are in first year, second year, we will start with a basic course, maybe 30 hours course. Then those who are in third year, some in between, it will be a kind of remedial courses for them, and introduction to interview skills, group discussion, and other aspects. And for final year students specifically, as and when any company is supposed to come for recruitment, a campus recruitment, in collaboration with Dr. Amit Sarkar sir, we are going to arrange specific training programs for you. Like suppose Amazon is coming, so what is required for the Amazon? If BNY is coming, Capgemini is coming, TCS is coming, accordingly we will arrange session to final year students, keeping in mind to prepare them to face the interview successfully and get the appointment. So it will be 3 years project, starting with this year 1920, 2021, 21, 22. So this is the plan. Definitely it will be more effective if all the students take active part, as I posted in the form as well as on the group. and take benefit of this. This is open for all the programs. The priority is given to SC/ST students, and it is a kind of it will be a kind of mandatory thing for all those students when they join college as soon as we release it. So take benefit, and I thank our management for giving everything that I'm asking for this particular program. We are going to set up a lab. Already we have language lab. We are going to upgrade the language lab software so that you students can practice English and communication skills on your mobile phone. So I'm connecting, discussing with Oral DLL and trying to purchase that software. So no need for you to come in the lab and practice. If you expect anytime, you can connect with your mobile phone and practice the lessons that I'm going to assign. So with that brief plan, I stop here and would request Amit Sarkar sir to say few words about training to be arranged for third year and final year students. Amit Sarkar, sir.
Sir. Thank you, Mahesh sir. Good morning, our honorable director sir, Dr. V.V. Karjini sir. Today's trainer or inspiration of speaker, George sir, head of the department, Kalas madam, and also Dr. Sathe sir, who is in charge for first year. So, my dear student, it is really great initiative, and I should thank to our honorable director sir and also Mahesh sir who have brought this particular project for our rural student. Being a rural student through SCST, all students will be get benefited. And already this we have taken few sessions for final year because Amazon is already visited our college, and in that 112 students had participated for this campus recruitment drive. And with that our honorable director sir and this Mahesh Shinde sir, through this project they have speaker was the this Walchand Sangli's dean, as well as student who have passed out from this particular college and selected in Amazon and Microsoft companies. So technogiant companies to get opportunity in that, what thing is required. So in this direction already one session we have conducted. Few more session we are going to conduct because you know that being a autonomous, then NEC as well as NV accredited college, we are eligible for all kind of process. So in the world, what kind of companies are there? Because this time for Google also have given us opportunity for internship. People, you know that PayPal also have given us opportunity for internship as well as for pre-placement offer. So their package is very high. Bank of New York, they have given with the package of 21 lakhs. So all these companies, so soft skill, one among the important aspect is there, because you are going to connect with the world. So for that communication part, you all should be very strong. Along with the technical part, definitely technical one aspect is there, and communication also, because nowadays you know that because of online, your writing ability should be very good, and anytime you're supposed to write mail or sending the information, so which is very essential, and your presentation skill also, how you're supposed to present yourself. So all these things keep in our mind. So we have very keen, and from first year onwards, because first year very nicely Mahesh sir have designed, and he is conducting. In second year onwards, we have taken initiative, and accordingly many program for you people we have arranged, and we are going to arrange, and also a few many program we have planned also to improve your soft skill communication part, and how you supposed to compete with the competitive world. So so I should thankful to our honorable director sir and Mahesh sir, and also the trainer, today's speaker, George sir, that for we people, they have arranged such kind of program. Thank you, Mahesh sir, from my side. Hello.
Yes, sir. I forgot you. Thank you very much, sir, for this brief introduction and giving the importance of communication skills along with uh, the hard skills, the technical skills. I'll just connect that with Mr. George. Yes, student, just please wait for some time. Mr. George has got disconnected due to network issues at his end, and I have not put any restrictions actually because 73 have already joined. Why people, other students are not able to join? I don't understand. Yeah, just try your camera and the mic, mute and mute. No, you are not audible there. Yeah, yeah, you are visible now.
Yeah. I'm
Yes,
able to
yes,
hear
you are audible. You are audible.
My sir, you make George sir as a co-host. So
Yes. That I'll do. That I'll do. Yeah, George, sir. Is it fine now?
Yeah. I can see you and I can hear you as well.
Okay, I have already introduced you. I have introduced you as the founder and CEO of Shashwat, and I have talking about your 2 years course in psychology from Duke University. Also, I have talked about your graduation MA in your fine arts and your NLP and your 31 years corporate training experience. Also, I have talked about your great intention to help the students of rural background to develop their communication personality.
Absolutely.
Student session is over to you now. Please start. Welcome
Absolutely.
and
Thank you so much. And in fact, I usually don't like to hear my introduction, so I was lucky that I was unmuted that time. So I have heard a lot of introductions, and the more I hear about my introductions, I grow in size. So if you see my size, it's all because of the introductions that I've got in various colleges. So, fine students, it's a joy, always a pleasure to be amongst each one of you. And I know Karjini sir personally because, as he told rightly, it's 2 years that I've been going right. Every time I go there, I make it a point to take his blessings and come from there. If not a training session, but at least his blessings. I've been fortunate to have good friends like Mahesh Shinde and Dr. Mahesh Shinde and Dr. Amit Sarkar, who has also been so helpful in whatever ways they can help me. Fine. Today I don't want to take a lot of time because the more I take a lot of time, क्या होता है कि आप लोग बोर हो जाओगे. The thing is, I am not used to taking these kind of virtual sessions. I love to be amongst the people. I love to feel your pulses. आप लोगों को जब देखता हूं, आप लोगों की जब आईज और आपकी आईब्रोज और आपकी फेस और फेस एक्सप्रेशंस ये देखता हूं, so I understand how much genuinely are you getting me. Otherwise, what happens is I take a session and I feel that by the end of the session, काहीतरी बोललं, ऐकलं मी आणि गेलं घरी. It should not be that way. So personality development is a vast subject. It starts from the age of 1, it goes till the age of 90, as long as you're alive. Each time and each age you have a different personality. Now, what is personality all about? Personality ka matlab kya hota hai? I would just like to tell you. Personality is something that you are putting over yourself as a cover to please others. Simple. It's a simple logic. I don't like to take complex statements. Simple statement is you are putting an armor over you to please others, to make others feel wow, the wow factor. Okay. And so personality can be defined into two aspects. Majorly, what happens is क्या होता है, बहुत सारे टीचर्स, बहुत सारे प्रोफेसर्स, बहुत सारे कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर्स आके आपको ये बात बताएगा personality is more to do with what you show outward. But I feel that personality has got two aspects. One aspect is it has to be more from your inwards. What you portray inside, आप अंदर क्या हो वही बाहर दर्शाते हो. अगर आप अंदर से झूठ बोलने वाले हो तो आपकी स्वाभाविक आदत ही झूठ बोलना होता है. अगर आप अंदर से किसी के बारे में गलत सोचते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली जब भी किसी को देखते हो तो आपके अंदर से गलत ही आता है. Your personality has to be defined from inside. But what happens is when we train students in the colleges and we tell them कि आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए जाना है, इसके लिए जाना है, तो आपकी पर्सनालिटी बनाना है. You have to show that that you have a personality, and that personality is what more to do with outward. Your dressing, your sense of talking, the shake hands, the way you meet eye to eye contact. These are things which are more external. These are important. I'm not saying this is not important. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि this is not important. But more to do with that is you have to build your personality from your within, from your inside. अंदर से पर्सनालिटी बनाना चाहिए. जब आप अंदर से पर्सनालिटी बनाते हो तो चमक जाते हो, हीरे बन जाते हो, जौहरी को आपकी तलाश होती है. Understand this, and this is the most criterial and most important, most vital thing that I would like to tell you, the most pivotal thing that I would like to tell you, and this is what Shashwat Gyan teaches. Shashwat Gyan doesn't believe that external personality is something that will give you a lot of gauges in life. What is important is to build your personality from within. You have to change from within. When you change from within, your personality takes shape. Okay, it is like आपने देखा होगा मटके चरखे पे जो घुमाता है मटके का इवेंचुअल शेप उसको शाइन पॉलिश लगा के जब रखता है तो उसकी कीमत होती है. But what happens is the potter actually starts working on the pot from inside. Because the strength has to be inside, not outside. Outside there is a glaze, there is a shine. बाहर से मटका बहुत शाइनिंग लगता है, बहुत आकार में दिखता है, लेकिन अंदर से कितना मजबूत हो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. Your personality has to start from within. Guys, when I am teaching personality, I believe me, my sessions will have lot of things to do with your external factors, lot of things to do, how to shake hands, how to conduct an interview, how to be bold, how to have the confidence. But yes, if you have to be confident, you have to first understand there is something that is within you that is not getting you to that confidence level. And let me tell you, what is that? What is that? Can anyone tell me what is that? आप लोग में से कोई बता सकते हो कि आप लोग सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट बनना चाहते हो, लेकिन अंदर से कुछ है जो आपको खाया जा रहा है, जो आपको कॉन्फिडेंट बनाते नहीं है. You know what is that? And that is fear. You are all driven by fear. When you have fear, आप कितना भी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट बनने की कोशिश करो नहीं बन पाओगे. Fear को भगाओ. That is internal, and that is where your personality begins. So I believe that every session that what we are going to do from here in and here with, it's going to be more to do with your inside. आप अंदर से जब तब्दील हो जाओगे, अंदर से जब बदलोगे, आपकी पर्सनालिटी निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा. और निकलते निकलते you will come to a level that externally you need not do much, because natural force, natural essence, natural taste, natural value comes out and people recognizes that. See, whenever I have met Mahesh Shinde sir, let me tell you one thing. I have always, whenever I've gone to KIT, I've always got this opportunity to meet him. I go and meet him because there is something that he carries, and that is nothing but positiveness. He's never told me, sir, we will never engage with you. He told, sir, there is a time, it will happen, it will happen, it will happen. But he's never discouraged me. When I've gone to Karjini sir also, I have got that positive vibe. See, now positivity cannot come from a person because he wants to show positivity. Positivity is something that is inbuilt. Positivity is something that should come from within, and that is your personality. So when I look at my sir, how much of a well-dressed he is, how much of a well-polished he is, for me, I see a positive man within him, and that is where I might relate my personality to him. So guys, in the sessions that we are going to conduct here in and here with, I am going to take the first session, and the first session is personality, creating your value, creating a brand. So you have to have a brand. So when I speak about brand, when I speak about personality, the first session that I conducted any personality development program is, first thing, remember this. And I always speak with this a lot of boldness, and I speak this with a lot of loud and clear voice, and I speak with a lot of clarity. Each one of you are born to be successful. Amen. That is it. You are born to be successful. No one can take that success. You are trying to tell your own self, I don't have a personality. You are trying to tell your own self, I don't believe that I can stand or I can face the world. It is you. But the Almighty has designed you to be successful. Remember this. So never give up on your success. Never tell yourself that I don't have the personality or I don't carry the brand. You have to create a brand. Brand is not created. Brand can be only created when within you inculcate those habits, you inculcate that positiveness, you inculcate those things that will lead you to have value, which people would love to listen, receive, and accept. समझ गए आप लोग? आपके अंदर पहले से ही ऊपर वाले ने ब्रांड बना के भेजा है, उसको छुपा के रखते हो आप, इसलिए आपकी ब्रांड दिखता नहीं है, इसलिए आप डर जाते हो, इसलिए आप बोलते हो कि मेरी क्या पर्सनैलिटी है, मैं वहां पे कैसा करूंगा, मैं चमक पाऊंगा क्या, मेरे से क्या होगा, जिंदगी से हार रहा हूं. These are the things that come within you only because you don't believe that the Almighty has given you the chance to be successful. I don't believe that I have a great personality externally looking, but I can challenge you today. Make me sit in an interview. 5 minute घड़ी पे रखना. I'll come with the offer letter. That is the self-confidence I have. That is the personality that is within me. And that is something that I would like you to have. Each student who's listening to me, every student, come on, I want you to do. Touch yourself on your heart and say, I am born to be successful. Nothing can take my success from me. My personality is my brand value. I need to build on it. I need to shine. I need to make myself rise from dirt and make myself stand as stars in the sky. And that is only possible when you begin to create that brand value. So when I look at personality, guys, if there is any questions, please don't hesitate. You all can ask me at any juncture. When I am speaking about personality, guys, let me tell you, I believe in something called as a tag. Everyone in this world is looking for a tag. Okay, what is a tag? अभी tag क्या होता है? सब शॉपिंग मॉल्स में जाते हो, दुकानों में जाते हो, कपड़े लेते हो, शूज लेते हो, कोई भी चीज लेते हो, फर्स्ट थिंग आप लोग क्या करते हैं? आप वो प्राइस देखते हैं. एक टैग लगी होती है ना बारकोड में, आप लोग वो देखते हैं. The more the cost, the better the brand. अगर मैं जाऊं कोई आम शॉप में, मुझे 350 में भी शर्ट मिलता है, टैग लगा होता है 350 का. अगर मैं मॉल में जाऊं और वहां पे अगर मुझे लेना है ज़ोडिएक का शर्ट, तो उसकी टैग भी अलग होता है, उसकी टैग ज्यादा होता है. लुई फिलिप्पी का शर्ट लेने जाओ, उसका टैग अलग होता है. So each brand has got a tag. And I am going to ask you the simple question. What have you designed your tag to be? Simple question. What is your tag today? If I ask myself, George, what is your tag today? What is the value that you have created in your personality today? What is it that people is looking at you and saying, wow, इसको यार 1 लाख रुपए पगार भी दूं तो लो इसको, इसके अंदर कुछ तो भी है, इसको छोड़ना नहीं, पकड़ के रखो. That is your personality oozing out from you. Oozing out. It cannot come within limits. It oozes out. वॉल्केनो की तरह बह जाता है, लोगों को दिखता है, अरे बाप रे, इसकी टैग क्या है, इसकी वैल्यू क्या है, क्या हम इसको हायर कर पाएंगे, क्या इसके अंदर की जो हुनर है हम जैसे लोगों की काम आएगा. That is the kind of brand value you're creating. So remember this, you should have a tag. Personality is nothing but your tag. What are you telling the world today? In your house, what is your tag? आई वडील काय म्हणतात तुमच्यासाठी? ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. दॅट इज द टॅग. तुमच्या मित्रांमध्ये तुमची टॅग काय आहे? खोटरडा माणूस किंवा एक माणूस ज्याच्यावर आपण पूर्ण विश्वास लावून चालू शकतो? दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. यू गो टू अ कॉर्पोरेट इंडस्ट्री, व्हाट इज योर टैग? डस योर लीडर ट्रस्ट यू एंड टेल यू दैट नहीं, महेश शिंदे को कोई भी जॉब दो वो करके बताएगा क्योंकि उसके अंदर है वो हुनर? इज दैट योर टैग? अरे महेश शिंदे यार आपलं काम अजून 8 जणांना टाकून देणार. इज दैट योर टैग? What is your tag? You have to build on your tag, guys. And today, as I talk to you, I want you to analyze yourself. Talk to yourself. Believe in yourself that, sir, आपका सेशन के बाद मैं मेरा टैग बनाऊंगा. मेरा टैग ये होगा, जहां पे खड़ा होगा लाइन वहीं से शुरू होगा. That is going to be my tag. My tag is going to be, लोग मेरे पीछे भागेंगे, ऑफर लेटर लेते, we are ready to pay you 50, we are ready to pay you 70, we are ready to pay 80. Come to us. That is going to be my tag. So if you are looking at building your tag, let me tell you one thing. Tag is nothing but 3 simple letters. First thing, train your mind. Any personality can only happen once you train your mind. So T is nothing but train your mind. See, there is positiveness, there is negativeness. There is nice, there is bad, there is good, there is evil, there is har, so jeet, sachai, jhoot. These things are all common, and this negative and positive emotions. Where do you incline yourself to? आप कहाँ पे ज्यादा जाते हो, कहाँ पे ज्यादा आपकी जिंदगी का बहाव है, वो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को डिसाइड करता है. Remember this, and this is what I say: train your mind. In every aspect of your life, try to understand with your goodness, there is evil that will go. With your niceness, there is a kind of bad vibes that will go. They keep on going together. Where do you incline yourself? Where are you going to? Let me put a simple question to you today. You got up in the morning, mommy told you to do a job. Did you do it? No, because your inclination was there was something more prior, which was not prior to what mommy said. You are in your work, you are in your let's take home only, because most of you are work at home only. Dad gives you a job, पिताजी कुछ बोलता है, बेटा ये करना है आपको. Where does your inclination go? दोस्त या पिताजी? Try to understand. Try to understand. This is a big problem today. I am going to take a session in the future with a lot of students who are telling me, sir, हमको no कैसा बोलना है सिखाओ. I am telling them, yes, सबको सिखा दूंगा no कैसा बोलना. Because we are not ready to tell no to our friends, but we are ready to tell no to our parents, because our personality is now dictated by our friends, not by the virtues and the values that your parents taught you. How are you going to grow? अब grow कैसे करोगे? You have to train your mind. Train your mind to understand what are your priorities. Train your mind to understand what is positiveness. Train your mind to understand how to get away from negativeness. Train your mind to understand where do I stand to build my value. If my value is in the negative side, I'm not going to make it. हजारों की तरह आप भी बह जाओगे. You will also be one among the crowd. Don't be the part of the crowd. Be a differentiator. Be a gem. Be a person who will be valued. And that will happen when you start training your mind. So guys, remember this. When you train your mind, the first thing that you need to do, this is a big topic. I won't be able to cover the full training of your mind in this topic, but I'll give some gestures. Try to understand 3 important things. What are your priorities? How do you want to make a differentiation in this world? And 3, how do you want to be remembered? Simple. What are your priorities in your life? What do you think so is the priorities in my life? Is my priority to be with my friends, ignore my family? Is my priority, there are a lot of families which are breaking. I tell you, I counsel a lot of marriage people, and there are a lot of families which are breaking because the husband is not ready to give time with the wife. He is spending more time with his office or either with his friends outside in the drink and the bars. How a family is going to grow? They are not training the things to understand that their personality is disappearing. It is just fading. It is diminishing. It is vanishing. There's nothing happening on the other side. Try to understand your priorities, guys. Very important. आपकी priorities अगर जिस दिन समझ पाओगे, I'm taking a session in personality development on this, how to understand your priorities. Understand your priorities. Very important. Second thing, how do I want to be a differentiator? क्या मुझे आम बन के रहना है, सादा बन के रहना है, या मुझे हटके बन के रहना है? Whatever it is, you have to understand that you have to be a differentiator. Train your mind to understand. Train your mind to think that you are a part of this universe which will give you all that you ask you if you have the positiveness to reciprocate to the universe. If you're telling the universe, I want a BMW, let me tell you, Tatastu is the word that will come from the universe. But if you're trying to tell the universe that आटा दाल चावल में चल जाएगा, तो आटा दाल चावल में ही आपका चलोगे. You have to be a differentiator. To be a differentiator, you have to train your mind to think, I am going to dream big. I am going to think big. I am going to make it big. I am not going to be an ordinary person. If my father has driven a Splendor all his life, I am going to see that he drives a better vehicle in the coming days, because I believe I am going to change my parents' life. I believe I am going to restore my family. I believe that my brother and my sister will get better education when I am educated and I grow big. Differentiation. You should always be a differentiator. So priority, train your mind to understand your priorities. Train your mind to understand that you are born to be a differentiator. Thirdly, train your mind to understand how are people going to remember you even when you're not there. That is very important. That is why a Gandhiji is a Gandhiji today. There are thousands, but a Gandhiji is a Gandhiji today. A Lal Bahadur Shastri is a Lal Bahadur Shastri today. Benjamin Franklin is remembered. A George Washington is remembered. Why are these people remembered? Why are these people different? And Abdul Kalam is remembered. Who's Abdul Kalam? Who's to sell newspapers? He's remembered. Why is he remembered? Because he believed that when I leave this world, I have to be remembered. I have to leave a mark. I have to leave my existence to the people so that people will understand that here is a man who brought change in the research and development areas. Here is a man who valued education more. Here is a man who is more knowledgeable. Here is a man who has set a path for the youngsters to follow. Here is a man who answers every youngster's question and gives them a proper answer, and an answer that touches hearts. That was his passion to be remembered even when we was not there. So guys, train your mind. Train your mind to see positiveness. Train your mind to understand what you need to put here. That is the first step how you can get your personality developed. It is not that people say by wearing a very good clothes and wearing a good blazer and wearing a good dress will give you personality. That will only give an outer shine. Andar jo hai wo andar hi hota hai. It is like I was taking one class, and in that class happened so that the boy whom I was talking to, when I was relating to him certain things, out of his mouth suddenly a bad word oozed out. He was very sorry about it, but then I to tell कि भाई तुम कितना भी अच्छा कपड़े पहनो, तुम्हारे अगर अंदर घिन है, तुम्हारे अंदर अगर बच्चलन शब्द है, तो वही निकलेगा और आपकी पर्सनालिटी फिर वहां पे खत्म हो जाती है. You are finished. You have seen people sometimes, let me tell you, even me at times, when you're driving a car and suddenly someone goes across, immediate reaction is what? Oh, this to nahi ka tumhala, oh, and ek do aa jata, shabd aa jata beech mein. You understand that? This to nahi ka tumhala, matara kuta chall. In the moment you begin to react, that is your personality. मतलब naturally मैं ऐसा हूँ, लेकिन दिखावा कर रहा हूँ बड़े कार में जाके कि मैं बहुत मैंने बहुत बड़ा जिंदगी जिया है. Your personality has to begin from inside. Guys, it's my humble request as we do sessions here on and here with, you have to train your mind. Please अपने मन को शासन में लाओ. ये जो चीज है अगर आपकी गुलाम इसके आप बन गए तो खत्म हो जाओगे. इसको आपकी गुलाम बनाओ. Be a master of your mind. Don't be a slave of your mind. The moment you become a slave, your personality will dissolve. You will become ordinary. Let me tell you, not ordinary, less ordinary. You will go belittle yourself and you will become nowhere. Train your mind. Train your mind to understand your priorities. When you're going back home today, I want you to understand. आप लोग ये सवाल पूछना, क्या मेरा priorities है? घर है, पढ़ाई है, दोस्त है, पिक्चर है, बड़ा पाव सेंटर है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ये गलत है, ये भी करना है, लेकिन प्रायोरिटीज क्या है इसको समझो. Understand your priorities. Train your mind to understand the priorities. Guys who are listening to me, 50, 60 students, I was told, I'm telling you all of you this. Your personality begins from within. And the first thing that you need to do is train your mind. When you train your mind, understand your priorities. Understand what is good for me and what is not good for me. And if it is not good for me, why should I go behind it? अगर ये चीज मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, उसके पीछे जाके मैं मेरी जिंदगी खराब क्यों कर रहा हूं? ये आपको अभी नहीं सूझेगा, लेकिन 5 साल बाद जब मुझे मिलोगे तो बोलेंगे सर आपने बोला था, हम सुने नहीं, हमने आपकी बातों का कान नहीं दिया, हमारी पर्सनालिटी आज कमजोर है. और ये बोलते हुए मुझे शर्म आ जाएगा कि जॉर्ज ने सिखाया और बच्चे के साथ ये हुआ. तो जॉर्ज जिस बच्चे को सिखाता है, जॉर्ज हमेशा अपने आप को एक कोच समझता है. I'm not a teacher, I'm not a professor, I'm a coach, and I believe that if I have taken a student in my hand, उसका पूरा जिंदगी बना के ही छोड़ता हूँ. शाश्वत ज्ञान का मतलब ही वो है, course for life. I believe I have come here with a kind of pain that if the students from the high class societies and the people who are in the metro cities can prosper, what is it that makes you a differentiator? You are much better. You are much better, let me tell you. I have worked in the corporate world for 31 years and I have seen the dedication, the discipline, the commitment that comes from students from small towns and rural part of India. It is not these big giants. That pained me. And that is exactly Shashwat Gyan was born. And telling you today, as a person who's passionately working for you, I want you to understand. आप लोगों को एक बात दिल में डालना है, समझना है, ग्रहण करना है। आज मेरी प्रायोरिटीज क्या है? घर जाओ, अपने माँ बाप को गले से लगाओ और बोलना ये मेरी प्रायोरिटी है। घर जाओ और बोलना माँ बाप तुमने मुझे पढ़ाई के लिए पैसा इतना खर्चा किया है, ये मेरी प्रायोरिटी है। घर जाना, अपने माँ बाप को बोलना मम्मा पापा तुम जो चाहेगा मुझसे मैं करने को तैयार हूं, क्योंकि तुम लोग ही मेरी प्रायोरिटी है। ये जब आप बोलोगे आपकी पर्सनालिटी की पहली शाइन आ जाता बच्चा। इट कम्स ऑटोमेटिकली, इट कम्स। यू आर मोर कॉन्फिडेंट। नीचे करतो आई वडिलांसाठी करतो। आया का नाही कॉन्फिडन्स वहां पे? आया ना? इज देयर एनीवन हूज चैटिंग एंड टेलिंग मी आया ना? Fine. The first thing is understand your priorities. Second thing is understand this and let this come right from within you. और आपके अंदर से क्या आना चाहिए पता है क्या? I am a differentiator. मैं वो हूं जो वो हूं। मैं ऐसा ही हूं और ऐसा ही रहूंगा, क्योंकि ये हुनर से ही मुझे आगे बढ़ना है। You are talented, you might be different from someone else in a different way. कोई अच्छा गा सकता है, कोई अच्छा नाच सकता है, लेकिन आप अच्छा बोल सकते हो। तो अपने बोलो पे लोगों के दिल जीतो। डिफरेंशिएटर बनो, जो चीज आपको हुनर गॉड ने दिया है। Don't try to tell that I want to be like him. You have to be a differentiator. Not everyone can be an Amitabh Bachchan. But yes, there is someone who can be a Rakesh Sharma who can go to the space also and come. There is someone who can work and find out some kind of scientific revelations and be a Tesla also. Remember this. You have to be a differentiator. The second most important thing is don't live for the sake of living. Be a differentiator, guys. Train your mind to tell, मैं वो करूंगा जो हटके है, मैं वो बनूंगा जो हटके है। मैं भीड़ का एक हिस्सा बनना नहीं चाहता हूं, मैं भीड़ से अलग चलने वालों में से हूं। जिस दिन आपके अंदर ये ग्रहण हुआ, जिस दिन आपने माइंड को ट्रेन किया यह ग्रहण करने की, मैं आपको बोल सकता हूं कोई भी आपको रोक नहीं सकता। कोई आंधी हो, तूफान हो, कोई भी दुनिया की ताकत आपको रोक नहीं सकता, क्योंकि आपकी कनेक्शन डायरेक्टली आपकी पैशन के साथ है और यूनिवर्स ऐसे लोगों को साथ देता है। इट इज नॉट लक, it is how much you pursue your to being a differentiator. Sachin Tendulkar did not want to be a cricketer. Cricket became his passion. He followed his passion. The universe came to give him everything that he never dreamt of. Let me tell you this, I put it in all of my sessions. Sachin Tendulkar took to cricket for what उसके घर पे एक फोटो लगा था कपिल देव का प्रूडेंशियल कप लेते हुए 1983 का, और वो बच्चे ने, नन्ना सा बच्चे ने, 10 साल का लड़के ने वो फोटो देख के बोला कि एक दिन मुझे भी कप लेना है, एक दिन मुझे भी वर्ल्ड कप जीतना है। कितने साल गए? 92 of 96 India failed in the semi-finals. 99 India lost in the semi-finals. 2003 or 2 India came to the finals, lost in the finals. 2007 knockout stage India went. 2011 no hope, new team, new captain. But remember, that boy had that dream. That was his passion. I want to be a differentiator. When I retire, I want to be remembered as a player who's also taken the World Cup. 2011, the whole universe came to lift this boy and give him that World Cup that he dreamt for. Nothing is impossible. Everything is impossible if you believe I am a differentiator. Sachin Tendulkar, 2007, elbow surgery. 2009, back surgery. No one thought that he would go ahead in life to play cricket that long. But that boy had that inclination, that belief. I am born to be a differentiator. Not only records. वो बोलता है कि मेरे रिकॉर्ड से ज्यादा सबसे खुशी मुझे वो देता है, वो पल देता है जिस दिन मैंने वर्ल्ड कप लिया था. That was his dream. You are born to be a differentiator. Train your mind to understand that you are born to be a differentiator. And the third most important thing in training your mind is always think that you should be remembered, and you should be remembered big even when you are not there. अगर आप एक कंपनी भी छोड़ते हो तो लोगों ने बोलना चाहिए, अरे यार काश ये होता, काश ये हमारे साथ होता तो आज हमारी प्रोजेक्ट आसानी से जाता था. That is how you have to be remembered. Don't be remembered for your bad things. Be remembered for the good that you do. Be remembered for the nice things that you say. Be remembered for the pleasant things that you give others. Be remembered that people know that you are a giver and not a taker. Be remembered as a person who has come to create history. Be remembered that way. आप लोगों को ये लोगों ने ऐसा याद करना चाहिए कि ये वो आदमी है जिसने दुनिया बदला. ये वो आदमी है जो साथ होता है तो सबके मुंह पे एक मुस्कान आता है. ये वो आदमी है जो हमारे बीच में रह के हमारे सुख दुख को अपनाता है. ये वो आदमी है जिसकी जिंदगी से हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला. ये जब आप सोचते हो, ये जब आप करते हो, ये जब आप बनते हो, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी निखर जाता है. कोई रोक नहीं सकता. यू नेचुरली गेन योर पर्सनैलिटी. Remember this. Train your mind. The first important thing in tag is train your mind. The second important thing is action. बहुत बार हम लोग जॉर्ज सर के सुनते हैं, महेश सर के सुनते हैं, अमित सर के सुनते हैं, कर्जनी सर के सुनते हैं, सबके सुनते हैं. लेकिन when it comes to action, we are big zero. So remember the second part of your tag to build your personality, to make that tag, to make that value, to make that brand of yourself is actions. Always remember, if there is no action and you are a good speaker, you will be remembered like a minister who sits in the Lok Sabha. Because most of the ministers who sit in the Lok Sabha do that only. बातें बात करते, काम कुछ नहीं करते. If you want to be remembered, remember one thing. Let it be more of action. बातें कम करो, action से बताओ. You are working in a corporate world. When there is a meeting or a session going on, when others are listening, use your pen and paper to write down certain things. How I can do it? How can I make the plan? How can I execute it? How can it be simpler? And take that plan and go to your boss and tell, sir, this is what I want to do. Give me the opportunity. Now you're making a difference. You're trying to show that it was not words. बहुत सारे लोग मीटिंग में क्या बोलते हैं, sir, it can be done. I will do it, sir. I will do it. You're not doing that. You're sitting patiently, listening to the whole talk, making your own points, making your own layout, making your own plan, structuring yourself well, and then you're going to your boss and telling, boss, ये मैंने plan किया है, दे दो मुझे हाथ में, ये project handle करूंगा. Now remember, your action is speaking more now. It is not the blank words. In life, remember guys, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, including me, we sometimes speak more. I train a lot on how to keep yourself from negativity. लेकिन negativity मेरे ऊपर भी आ जाता है. मैं भी इंसान हूँ, मैं भी कभी ढल जाता हूँ negativity में. हर इंसान के साथ होता है. It is not that that we are God or we are special people. हमको negativity नहीं आएगा. लेकिन हर चीज में आपकी actions सिर्फ positivity में जाना चाहिए. Action आपका positivity की तरफ ही बढ़ाते रहो. Speak less, do more, work more. Show yourself as a creator. Show yourself as a person who's able to handle critical situations. Now, these are all personal skills. Show yourself as an interpersonal person who can relate well, who can talk well, who can take situations, assign them well, and execute it well. Be a person who will do more and less of speaking. The more you speak, you are a less doer. The more you do less, you are not remembered. The more you do less, आप जितना कम करते हो, लोग आपको याद भी नहीं करेंगे. हम लोग जब बैठते थे, to when it comes to salary hike and all, so when we sit, we look at the whole year's performance of every individual. हम लोग हर individual का performance हमारे सामने वो chart रखते हैं, and we ask from different departments also, भाई तुम्हारे साथ ये इसने कैसा व्यवहार किया, ये क्या किया. And the great thing that we grade is, we grade a person with actions. ये 10 लोग थे, इनकी सैलरी हम बढ़ा सकते, हक से बढ़ा सकते, क्यों? इन लोगों ने बातें कम की और काम ज्यादा किया. You look at the great CEOs of various companies, they are the people who will speak less, but when it comes to action, you will hear Ratan Tata go to a big, unless he's called to a big session to handle a session of hour or so, but you call anyone, any greats, they will only be dreaming whole night, thinking of what is my next plan of execution. How do I take my action level to the next plan? Guys, when you begin to do this, when your action speaks more than your words, when your action is more deserving, when you begin to feel that, whatever you are actually putting it here, you're trying to do it through your action because there is positivity in it, you will naturally build a great persona. Your tag is increasing. Most of the time, we don't understand this. Most of the time, we do not know this. But in a very subconscious way, in a very subtle way, we are taking away. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हमारे पर्सनैलिटी को एक्शन से दूर रखते हैं, और वो होता है. आप लोगों को मैं बताता हूं, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टुडंट्स हु कम एंड टेल, नाही सर, बघा उद्यापासून मी काय करणार, मी जग हलवून टाकणार, मी हे करणार, ते करणार, ते करणार. 10 वर्षानंतर बघितलं तर काय असणार तिथंच. काय रे बाबा, काय केलं नाही का तू? काय सर, काय आयुष्यात आलाच नाही माझ्या बरोबर, मी काय करू शकतो? That is the whole body language changes, negativity changes, because he was only words. You come from the state of Maharashtra. I belong to the state of Maharashtra, where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is worshipped as an icon. Why is he worshipped as an icon? Because he was a man of action. He was not a man of words. उसने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया, अफजल खान आया तो बोला, ए भाई तू जाके लड़, मैं नहीं लड़ता. सामने खड़ा होगा ऐसा लीडर, बिकॉज मैं लीडर हूं, मैं मास्टर हूं, मुझे जंग लड़ना है, मैं लड़ूंगा. That is a man of action. He doesn't put his team into problem. He goes himself and handles the situation. Be a man of action. Be a lady of action. Be a miss of action. Be a master of action. You are born to be a differentiator, and you can be a differentiator only when you begin to sleep and think, dream, and plan. If you're sleeping in that beautiful, memories, अरे काल उद्या गर्लफ्रेंड बरोबर जायचं, कुठे जायचं, प्लॅन कुठे करू, काय करू, if you're sleeping in that ascent, it's not going to happen. Your actions are only going to derive there. Your personality is only going to be there कि एक फूल दे दिया, एक हार दे दिया, एक कार्ड दे दिया, एक केक खिला दिया और बोला कि मेरी पर्सनालिटी बन गई. नहीं बनती ऐसी पर्सनालिटी तब बन जाता है अगर आपके साथ गर्लफ्रेंड हो. इसको मुझे एक दिन BMW में घुमाना है, उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है, वो जब मैं सोचूं और उसके तरफ बढ़ूं तो मेरी पर्सनालिटी बन जाता है. Be a man of action. Remember this. Most of you youngsters listen to a lot of good things, लेकिन दिमाग में तब तक रहता है जब तक KIT की बात टपरी तक जाता है. टपरी पे गए, खत्म. Man of action becomes man of words. Don't do that. Carry information, carry your passion, go wherever you are, that same creativity, with that same mindset. And that mindset is that I want to live a life of success. And that can only happen if I am a man of action. And the third thing in tag is be genuine, be good, be humble, be clear. खोटापन, खोटारडापन, दुसऱ्यांना फसवायचे पण, हे सगळं तुमची पर्सनॅलिटी मध्ये आणूच नका. इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड अ टैग. हमारे टाइम क्या होता है, बच्चे हमारे पास आता है रेज्यूमे लेके और बोलते हैं, बड़े बड़े रेज्यूमे के नीचे लिख देते हैं कि हमने इधर काम किया, उधर काम किया. हम जब सामने वाले HR को फोन करके पूछता है, बोलता है कि सर ऐसा हमारे पास कोई बंदा था ही नहीं. और जब आपको मालूम पड़ता है, हम उसको ब्लैक लिस्ट कर देता है. जिंदगी खराब किया उसने, सोचा नहीं एक पल के लिए भी मेरा खोटापन मुझे कहां लेके जा रहा है. उसकी पर्सनैलिटी कितना भी अच्छा हो, अच्छा ब्लेजर पहन के सबसे महंगा स्प्रे मार के आया होगा, लेकिन 2 मिनट के लिए हमारे सामने उसके पास से सिर्फ बदबू आती है क्योंकि उसने किया ऐसी चीज. जिंदगी में याद रखना, जॉब सबको मिलेगा, थोड़ा लेट भी हुआ, कभी गलती का सहारा नहीं लेना. आई टॉक टू माई शाश्वत गैंग टीम, उनको एक ही चीज बोलता हूं, हमारी नीति अच्छी रखो, क्योंकि जब नीति अच्छी रखता है कोई साथ दे ना दे, वो देता है. याद रखना है बात. रिमेंबर दिस, बी जेन्युइन, बी रियल, बी हम्बल. कभी ऐसा मत होने दो कि बहुत आया कि आपके पर उड़ना शुरू हो जाए. डोंट डू दैट. बी हम्बल, बी जेन्युइन. Guys, if you are good, you will be remembered for being good. If you are bad, you will be forgotten even before you're gone. If you are good, people will love to interact with you. आप घर पे भी देखो, आपकी बहन होगा, भाई होगा, ठीक है, लेकिन मम्मा डैडी के लिए गुड कोई एक होता है, बहुत गुड, ठीक है, तो बोलता है कि नाही, माझ्या मुलीला विचारल्याशिवाय मी निर्णय घेणार नाही, तिला विचारलंच पाहिजे. Why? Because they feel there is an inclination of goodness that my daughter shares with me. It's natural. घर में आपने देखा होगा, when you're good, आपकी मम्मी की बात आप सब सुनो, सवेरे 7 बजे से लेके शाम को 7 बजे तक सुनो. 8 बजे मम्मी क्या बोलेंगे पता है? तो आज काय खाणार, मी तो बनवून देतो. क्यों? That goodness reflected, that goodness overpoured on your mother. और माँ को ऐसा लगा आज बच्चा मेरे लिए इतना किया तो मुझे भी बच्चे के लिए वो करना है जो उसको पसंद है. Right? Let your goodness spread viral. Let your goodness spread like cancer. Let your goodness spread like the pandemic coronavirus. Goodness ko bahao. Let it spread. And when you spread goodness, you will be loved, man. You will be loved. लोग आपको स्टार्टिंग बोलेंगे अरे ये बहुत गांधी जी का औलाद बनता है, लेकिन एक दिन वो बोलेंगे अरे यार तेरे ऐसा दोस्त मिलना मुश्किल है यार, तू इतना अच्छा कैसा बना. Remember, your personality is your goodness. Remember this, your personality is your goodness. When you have trained your mind, when you have done the right actions and you do more actions than words, and when you are genuine, when you are good, TAG, आपका टैग बन गया. एंड जब आपका टैग बन जाता है तो कोई भी कॉर्पोरेट उसको उठा के देखता है, बाप रे इसकी वैल्यू ये है, इसकी ब्रांड वैल्यू उसने ये बनाया है, हमको ये चाहिए. 1 लाख रुपए दो पगार, लेकिन इसको हायर करो भाई, ये बहुत कीमती चीज है, मिलता नहीं है. जब आप खरा बनेगा तो जौहरी आपका पहचान करेगा और वो दाम देगा आपको जो आपने कभी सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि दाम बनाने के लिए आपने आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को, ब्रांड को, वो वैल्यू को आपने सब्सटेंस किया है. रिमेंबर दिस गाइस, आई एम हियर टू टेल यू दिस with a lot of love, with a lot of passion, and with a lot of understanding that you deserve to be successful. Each one of you deserve to be successful. Each one of you have been naturally blessed with a personality. Yeah, man, please go ahead. You have a question. You can unmute and speak if you want. Sir, there's a question that Mansi wants to ask.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mansi.
Sir, my name is Manasi Sonavni. I'm from 3rd year.
Okay.
Sir, my question is, as you said, that giving goodness, spreading goodness is the best thing to improve our personality, right?
Yes.
But sir, sometimes people take that for granted and they take advantage of it. So, people stop practicing goodness, and therefore there are many, there are many problems occurring, and they stop being that good personality, and there is a restriction to their improvement. So, what do you think about this?
Okay. See, that's the sad part, Mansi, that the goodness is disappearing. Today, what you're hearing in the Hathras, what you're hearing in different parts of India is nothing but the goodness is disappearing. There is only evil that is taking ahead. Okay. But there is still a ray of hope, I believe, that you should carry. There are 50 to 60 students who are listening to me. If you all carry goodness outside, remember you're spreading this as a virus. And if you're able to convert 600 people into goodness, and that 600 people converts another 6,000 into goodness, what is it going to make in your life? Tell me one thing. How are you going to be remembered? As a person who was good but tried to avoid being good, or a person who really spread good? That girl made a difference. That girl life. That girl made a change in her life. How would you like to be remembered? That's what I told you. Train your mind to understand. How would you like to be remembered? Would you like to be remembered as a person who spreads evil because he knows that is good, but people don't accept my goodness, so I'm going to become evil? Is that how it is? No, it's that. And if it is that, tell you are sailing on the wrong boat. You have to be genuine. You have to spread goodness. See, that will uplift your personality. Gandhiji was shot. Agreed? All of you all agree that Gandhiji was shot? But he's still remembered for his goodness. Why do you celebrate October 2nd and why do you celebrate January 31st? Remember for his goodness. The world will speak to you. The world is going to speak to you if you're good or bad, whatever it is. If you're good, you have to make a mark, temporary mark. That is in your hands. If you want to make a permanent mark, कि मैं करता कुछ भी हो, नेकी वो परमानेंट मार्क बन जाता है। मैं नेकी कर फिर जब आता है छोड़ दो, you know, if you try to do that, it's temporary mark, people will forget you. Be remembered. And today when you have asked me this question, I tell
Yeah, George, can you hear me?
Well, it looks that he got disconnected.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible.
Okay, I'll call
Looks
him.
like
I guess he has.
yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah, George, sir, you are connected. I mean, you are not audible. हाँ, वीडियो भी गया है कुछ तो ऊपर ड्यू टू लो बैंडविड्थ और लोकल कंप्यूटर कंडीशंस ऐसा कुछ तो बता रहा है वहाँ पे कुछ। हाँ, आप चला गया, देखो ट्राई योर वॉइस।
Now his voice is not connected because it's
जी
like
जी
mic. Just
he's disconnecting and connecting again because he was using collar mic. Somehow he got disconnected. Join and reconnect. While I'll request all students, if any question, make your question ready. You can just unmute yourself and ask question by raising your hand, or you can put your question in chat section. I'll read for you and we'll get the answer from Mr. George. So whatever he has given, you are supposed to prepare questions. Like Mansi asked, very good question about being goodness taken granted and how to deal with that. It is a very good question, and that is the reality. That whenever people behave good, all the people try to get wrong benefit of that. But rightly answer that we should not leave our goodness because people are taking bad benefit, wrong benefit of our goodness. Like that, you can ask the questions. Prepare your questions. Raise your hand. You can ask directly, or you can put in chat section also. So I'll just testing. Meanwhile, you can, the students, please put me in chat section. Is the session good? Yes or no? Is the session useful? Yes. Partial? No. Please put in chat. Yeah. Komal, thank you. Good, good. Yeah, thank you very much. It proves that you are active listeners. Even if we are virtually connected, you are active listeners. This is a good sign. Thank you very much. I'll just make George co-host so that we continue. Yeah, Sambodhi, let George sir join. I will take your question. Okay. Hello, Mr. George. Are you there? You're not audible. Just try, just take your mic. George. Yeah, yes. It's breaking. The voice is breaking. Sometimes saying no may break the relations. Okay, we will ask Mr. George. Try to say something. You are connecting from other device.
So can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, yes. You
Yeah, I
back.
don't know. There's some
Welcome.
issue. I'm just trying to
No
understand.
issue.
Yeah,
This
fine, guys. We've got some time more, so
same.
let's.
Virtual definitely will have such problems, but your session is very good. I just asked students whether the session is good or partially good or no. You can see in chat section, there are many of them have replied with yes, very energetic, wonderful, and useful, absolutely energetic. We have got very good response. So do you
I,
have something to finish from your contents part, or shall we go for the questions
you
part?
can go for the questions. I just want them to understand that tag is very important. Your personality creates your brand value. So remember that when people look at you, they're not going to look at you as a whole. They'll just look at a tag, and like you go to a dress and just see the tag, 3,000 rupees, so that kind of tag. So you have a tag, and your tag decides your brand value. So guys, before I end the session and take your questions, I would just request you is आज से आपको पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में पहली चीज जो कदम रखना है कि अपनी ब्रांड को बनाओ, ठीक है। और ब्रांड को बनाने के लिए एक टैग है, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है। ट्रेन योर माइंड, एक्शन स्पीक मोर देन वर्ड्स, बी जेन्युइन, बी गुड, बी रियल। थैंक यू सो मच। यस, आई कैन टेक योर क्वेश्चंस नाउ।
Much, George sir, again, and deliberately we have kept the duration of the session 2 hours, so that 1 hour or so we can have actual session, and remaining maximum time I would like to give to students so that they can clarify their doubts. So
प्लीज डू।
accordingly, let me take the first question from Sambodhi. I'll take the questions from students, and Mr. George, I also have a few questions for you at the end.
ओके, विल डू, विल डू।
Yeah. So Sambodhi, can you unmute yourself and ask the question? Hello. Yeah, Sambodhi, you are not trying. You can put me in chat, common chat. Okay. It's from Sandesh Kamble from TY. I have people act as good behavior in front of other people or good speaking skill, but actually they are not like politicians. So their personality matters in good view. Like, sometimes they behave good in front of others, and the people take for granted that he is a
Yeah.
politician. In
So
such
these
case,
people I call, Sandesh, these people are the people whom I call as balloons. Balloons look very good. The moment they appears, everything disappears. It's only where. So कभी कभी बहुत अच्छा बात करता है, इम्प्रेस करता है, ये करता है, लेकिन ये इम्प्रेस जितना करता है ना, इसके नीचे जो होता है ना, ग्राउंड होता है ना, ये सब झूठ का होता है, ठीक है। आई विल टेल यू अबाउट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु एक्चुअली वांटेड टू, संदेश ये आपके लिए बहुत सूट हो जाएगा क्योंकि आप लोगों की उम्र की बात है। ही वांटेड टू पटाओ अ गर्ल, ठीक है, उसको लड़की पटाना था। तो उसने बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बात किया, बहुत आई हैव डन दिस, आई हैव डन दैट, एंड वेरी गुड टू स्पीक एंड वेरी वेरी एलिगेंट इन दिस पर्सोना, कपड़े, लेकिन उस गर्ल को ये पता नहीं था शर्ट मेरा होता, पैंट किसी और का होता, जूता किसी और का पहन के आता होता। You understand what I'm saying? It is that they try to show off, and these balloons, एक दिन का हवा फुट गई तो फिर वो खत्म हो जाता है। Be good, be genuine. That is my tag का थर्ड वर्ड जो जी है, it's genuinity. Be genuine. नहीं है, लेकिन जैसा भी हूं मैं ऐसा हूं, मेरे अंदर अच्छाई है। So when you are trying to track on what is real, what is good, the value is more interesting. The more you try to only show off through your speaking skills and that skills, वो एक दिन पकड़ा जाता है और मालूम पड़ जाता है कि ये सिर्फ हवा था, कुछ नहीं था. Okay? Is that clear, Sandesh?
Yeah, Sandesh, you can put in chat section. Okay. Yeah, he's saying yes, sir. There
Okay.
is one question by, it was previously, I just scroll up and will ask. Yeah, it is asked by Nilesh Dudhalkar. He asks, sometimes saying no may break the relations. You said no,
Yeah.
saying no is difficult. So
Yeah.
sometimes saying no may break the relations. What to do in that case?
Yeah, so for that, I would request you. There is a session that I'm going to conduct. I'll invite you for that session because saying no is a big challenge. You know, it becomes a big challenge. But I'll tell you in short. Try to understand where your priority lies. Okay. Now, for example, I'll put this question to you in a different way. Mommy is telling, "तू कुठे जायचं नाही आज, घरातून बाहेर पडायचं नाही," and your friend is telling, "हे 4 वाजता मी येणार आहे, आपल्याला जायचं आहे." ओके. नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड नो बोल के किसको दुख पहुंचाना आपको अच्छा लगेगा और किसको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. माँ को बोल के माँ का दिल तोड़ना अच्छा लगेगा या दोस्त को बोल के दोस्त का दिल तोड़ना अच्छा लगेगा. अगर आपको लगता है कि माँ को तोड़ के माँ का दिल दुखाना अच्छा लगेगा तो मैं बोलता हूँ, क्षमा चाहता हूँ, इट इज नॉट राइट. Okay, the mother who's nursed you for 9 months, the mother who's fed you with her breast milk, she should never be hurt. So your priority should be to tell no to your friend. रिलेशन बोला टूट गया तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन माँ के साथ ना बोलना मुश्किल होता है और ना बोलना गलत होता है. So I'll teach you that in a different session, but at least you understood what I meant to say. Understand your priority when you tell no.
Yeah, thank you. There is another very interesting question, George. It is
Okay.
asked by Vaibhav Bansode.
Mhm.
And he's asking you that hug your parents and ask them what they want and what they want to be like you love your parent and ask them what they want you to be and fulfill their dream. But his question is, if your passion is different than your parents expectations, in that
Okay.
case what student should do?
Yeah, this is a very common problem. I don't think it's a very different problem. Everyone faces it. Okay, everyone faces it. Let me tell you, my own son, he got 91% in his 10th standard. He took arts. He got
Yeah.
around 87% in his 12th standard. He continues to pursue his passion, which is mass media and movie making. He is the one who designs my posters and all. So, if you look at him, he followed his passion. He was able to convince me. Now it is up to you how you are able to relate and convince your father. Father, this is my passion. I believe I will be able to do much better here. And the problem with our parents from the small towns are, nahi ka, त्याची मुलगी इंजिनियर आहे, ह्याच्या मुलगाने केलं, हे केलं, तिथं शिकायला जा, इथं शिकलं तर जॉब भेटणार. All these kind of myths. That is also a session that I want to conduct very shortly. 9 myths that will take you away from your careers. Attend that session, I would request you. But if you genuinely understand your parents and if your wavelength, आपकी जो wavelength parents से match होता है, I believe you will be able to convince them and you will be able to tell them, Dad, this is my passion. ही मी करायची इच्छा ठेवतोय. तुम्ही मला ह्यात सपोर्ट करा. यासाठी हे करणार आहेत. ही 3 वर्षाची कोर्स आहे. त्याची फीस इतकी असणार. यासाठी मला मदत करा. ते 3 वर्षानंतर ती फीसचे जे पैसे आहेत, मी पूर्ण तुम्हाला 2 वर्षात कमवून देणार. If you are able to convince, माझ्या मुलाने इतकी मोठी प्लॅन केलं, ऍक्शन प्लॅन केलं, तर सपोर्ट केलंच पाहिजे. कोण नाही करणार मग. So it is how you are able to convince your parents in that process. Is that clear?
Yes, and I would like to add two things to George.
Yes, sir.
Like why there is a difference between parent choice and your passion, because your parents are experienced, they know what is better, what is best for you students, but you prefer your passion mostly based on your friends or because of some of the influencers. Like somebody has become a very good photographer, I can click good photographs, means I can also become that good photographer. That should not be the choice, that should not be your passion. So students, definitely your parents are good for you. Like Mr. George rightly said just now, if your passion is better than their choice, you have to convince them. That is only the choice. Promise them
Absolutely.
that you will definitely follow your passion, and success will be the only result of your passion. Your parents will be with you. Thank you, Mr.
Absolutely.
George.
No, no, absolutely.
Yeah, Sambodhi,
Yeah, I'll tell
can
you
you?
my own experience. Let me put it, students. I'll put it my own student. 31 years in the corporate world, having a good salary, having a good package, having done everything in life. My wife was actually shocked. She got attacks in the same night. एका रात्री 3 अटॅक हार्ट अटॅक आला तिला म्हणजे खरोखरच नाही म्हणजे तो अचानक सगळं सोडून तू गावात जाणार शिकवायला काय वेड वेड झाला का पण ते माझी पॅशन होतो इट वॉज माय पैशन एंड टुडे व्हेन आई एम फॉलोइंग माय पैशन आई एम एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप लोगों की जो कमेंट्स आ रहा है कि सर आपने मेरे दिल को छू लिया है that is what I'm here to make okay so I'm here to only change lives and that is my passion so if I'm able to convince my wife fine she is now convinced so she understands कि बाबा इसको कितना भी बोला तो सुनने वाला नहीं है ये इसकी पैशन के पीछे भागने वाला है so guys as Mahesh sir told parents have experience so they give you a different brand but parents are less educated to understanding that there are a lot of things that has come but you should understand what is your passion once you are able to understand this is my passion tell them and show them a road map पप्पा ही 3 वर्षाची कोर्स आहे याची इतकी पैसे येणार 4थं वर्ष मला जॉब भेटलंच पाहिजे आणि त्यानंतर मी तुम्हाला 2 वर्षात तुमची जे लोन घेतलेले आहेत मी फिटवून देणार आणि 5वं वर्ष मी तुम्हाला सिंगापूरला पाठवणार 4 दिवसासाठी
Right.
Okay, fine.
Sambodhi, are
Next
you there?
question. Yeah.
I guess some microphone issue at mic issue. Sambodhi, your hand I can see raised, but not able to listen you. Okay. I guess if there are any other questions, please ask. I'll take this one by Abhidnya. And what Abhidnya asks, there are many people around us, and our goodness is hidden in front of them. How to deal with such situations? So let
Tell
me
me one
rephrase.
thing.
Yeah.
Tell me one thing. There is a moon and there is a sun. If you consider sun as to be goodness, the moon is hidden under the sun. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
You have to be the sun. The sun is goodness. Okay. It is as simple as telling you that there is goodness here, there is badness here. If you are trying to please who are people who are bad, you're kicking goodness. You're kicking goodness. Okay, look at this. I'm not going towards bad people just to encourage them and trying to tell them that I'm not good, I'm just being bad. You're kicking goodness. The moment you turn towards goodness, remember what you're doing. You're trying to remove the darkness of the people who are creating darkness around you away from your life. Guys, again I repeat it. This world is filled with one second. This world is filled with people who are extremely fake, bad, filled with hatred. Very simple. Okay. You have to turn the world around. And you can do it. I can do it. We can do it. Let us not give up because people are bad. Let us try to change ourselves so that they can see the goodness in us. And I try to at least understand, that there is something different about this person. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Just few of my questions now, Mr. George.
Yeah, please.
They will not be two questions I would like to ask. Yeah, your today's session was really excellent. I also learned a lot of things from you, and the tag,
Thank you, sir.
the form tag is absolutely very, very useful. Like training your mind and taking actions and being very genuine and true in your action. So that is really, if we follow these three, definitely we will become a true person. But yeah, these things now you are talking. Yeah, absolutely. The talk was really good and inspiring, but that is at third level. Before that, I have second level and first level. At first level, as I am going to be in global context, I need to improve myself in terms of English, in terms of communication skills. At second level, I need to learn some corporate skills like some etiquettes and etiquettes, and then I have to learn some soft skills. And when I am having good communication skills and soft skills, then this comes about the next third level. So what I expect from you, as we have invited you to conduct 5 sessions, and this being the first introductory sessions, what is your plan? Can you tell us roughly what you are going to cover in next 4 sessions, and
Yeah.
how that will be most relevant to, even as this is your line. I remember, Mr. George, you said I do not want to just train the 10% and 20%. I want to train 100%. You want to reach to the 100 student also. So if that 100 student is very, very, less confident and very basic level in English and communication skills, what you expect, or what will be the plan in your next 5 sessions? And of course, these 5 sessions will not be the end. Definitely, we are going to plan your courses as their need. So can you briefly tell us what will be the contents of next 4 sessions?
Yeah. So, guys, very nice question. That is a more relevant question for me, I feel. I feel, see, anything that has to start, it has to start with your inward thing, See, there is a lot of things. Like, for example, if Mahesh Shinde sir is now shifting to his new house, okay, he will not go and see that कि मुझे पहला फर्नीचर कौन सा लेना है, फ्रिज कौन सा लेना है, टीवी कौन सा लेना है. वो पहला चीज क्या करेगा, घर को धो के साफ करेगा. एक बार साफ हुआ तो फिर हम सोच सकते हैं कि अगला. So, when I work with students, I feel that the first initial sessions are going to more to do with your own self. Once you come out of that groove, उसके बाद मेरे को आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल सिखाने की या बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. आप ही उसको सीरियसली ले लेंगे, क्योंकि आपको लगेगा कि हाँ हाँ, अभी मेरे अंदर डर ही नहीं है, तो मैं सीख सकता हूँ. अभी आप सीखने को जाओगे तो कहीं ना कहीं मैं कर पाऊंगा क्या, होगा क्या, you understand what I'm saying? So what I believe is, I want to clean your heart, clean your inner self, की you should tell, सर आता तुम्ही अजून काय काय आणतात द्या, आम्ही शिकणार, आम्ही करणार, आमची पर्सनॅलिटी आम्हाला करायची. दैट कॉन्फिडेंस आपके अंदर आ गया तो मुझे और महेश सर को चिंता ही नहीं ना. आप लोग को सिर्फ फीड करना है हमको, और आप लोग लेते रहेंगे, जितना लेना है लो, पढ़ना जितना है, नॉलेज हासिल करना है लो. बट वो सब तब होगा, क्योंकि इसलिए मैंने बोला है कि मेरी पहले 2-3 सेशन जो है, मैं इट्स गोइंग टू बी मोर टू डू विथ योर ओन सेल्फ. सी टुडे यू आर, आप लोग के सवाल से मुझे पता है कि आपके अंदर कितना कंफ्यूजन है. फेक लोग हैं, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम गुड कैसे रहेंगे, कुछ लोग हमारे सामने एक्टिंग करते हैं, ऑल दिस. So you are a lot of confusion. So next section is going to be in your personality, how to remove confusion. How's the topic?
Okay.
Now, once you are away from your confusion, you have a tag, you have self-confidence. फिर आपको कौन रोक सकता है यार? मंजिल आपके सामने. हमने तो सिर्फ आपके सामने से पर्दा निकाल दिया है. आपको अभी दौड़ना है, भागना है, चढ़ना है, कुचलना है, कूदना है, पहुंचना है, और एक दिन मुड़ के हमको बोलना है, जॉर्ज सर तुम्ही ते आमच्या डोळ्यातून ते पडदा काढलं म्हणून आम्ही असं सगळं करू शकलो. तर पडदा काढण्याची खूप गरज आहे. आज तुमची गरज ते आहे. म्हणून मी माझी पहिले 2-3 सेशन जे करणार आहेत ते खास कर तुमची. माय सेकंड सेशन इज मोर टू डू विथ हाऊ टू रिमूव्ह युअर कन्फ्युजन निघून गेलं तर अजून क्लॅरिटी भेटलं. थर्ड सेशन आहे हाऊ टू बी डिटरमाइंड. काहीतरी करायच्या अगोदर डिटर्मिनेशन कसं पाहिजे. That's going to be my third session. Fourth session is going to be more to do with self-confidence. Now, I've given you all the 4 tablets. 4 doses दिलेले आहेत. 5वी डोस तुम्ही मला खरं सांगायचं की सर आता तुमची गरज पण नाही आम्हाला. तुम्ही आम्हाला मोकळं सोडा, आम्ही शिकणार, आम्ही करून दाखवणार, आणि केआयटी मध्ये आम्ही सरकारला हा गॅरंटी देतो, जे काही प्लेसमेंट आणणार ते फक्त केआयटी ची मुलं घेणार. संपला ना विषय आहे. जॉबची पण गरज नाही, बाकी काय गरज नाही. That is more important with me. Sir, if I've cleared your question.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this question, that particular response. So thank you very much. I heard that you are conducting some paid sessions tomorrow onwards.
Yeah,
So
that will not happen now, sir. That will not happen. That is going for the first week because most of the students have got their exams. So they told that, sir, हमको first week of November में करना है. So I will send you this, and I would request all the students who are here, if you can make it for the program, I will keep it free for you. Just join it. Just see, because वहाँ पे वो सवाल का जवाब आपको मिलेगा, how to say no.
Thank you very much. So let me tell you, students, my friends, actually, this is not an advertisement or anything, but it is just the guest of Mr. George. Right now, he said that the sessions will be free for you. He is charging 300 rupees or something for that 1 week long lecture series. But I requested him कि sir हमारे बच्चों के लिए under this program, he simply said कि no problem, उनके लिए free करेंगे. So that is the goodness. With that good intention, he is training, he is coming in, he is in this industry. So I would request Mr. George, along with these 5 sessions specially designed for our KIT students, try to include the topics that you are designed for that lecture series. Definitely they will join. but we will correlate somehow those topics in this particular series of orientation program. I'll send the brochure to all the students. It is completely going to be free. It is not advertisement. Let me again repeat. And this will be included in our next 4 sessions. Just for your information, I'll share that brochure with you. So thank you very much, George sir. I hope the students are happy and they have got a kind of boost now, and the confidence as well. And as you rightly said, they'll start working on themselves now. Yes, let me tell you, Mr. George sir session will be there to inspire you, to motivate you, to guide you and give you a proper direction. But the question that I asked at level 2 and level 1, I'm taking care of that also, don't worry. I have different speakers, different trainers. For level 2, I'm planning different speakers or trainers or the resource person for level 1 as well. If I get very good, I will be there otherwise, definitely, as usual with you.
No, sir,
To
but
guide
I
you and
would also like to add this and say this, that level 2 and level 1 we can do it together also, because I do that also. But I feel that
yes,
before we do anything, पहला हमको बच्चों का घर साफ करना है, उनका दिल साफ करना है, उनको ये सीखने की,
absolutely, absolutely.
अगर मैंने आज शुरू किया होता इंटरपर्सनल स्किल बोल के, वो सच्ची
Yes.
आपको बोले होते सर काय सर तेच बोर झाला, that kind of thing. So
Yeah,
I just want to tell each of the
absolutely agree.
students who attended my session, and a great gratitude to KIT Kolhapur, Mahesh Shinde sir, Karjani sir, Amit Sarkar sir, and the other faculties who have attended, and most importantly students. Let me tell you this from the bottom of my heart, I love each one of you. I want to see you successful. Okay, I pray that you will understand what George sir has told you today. Put it into practice. Let your actions begin from today. And exactly the next session, you will definitely tell me, sir, there's a lot of difference in my life. Lot of difference. Do it from today. And whenever you get demotivated, you are definitely free to ask Mahesh sir my number. He will share my number. You all can definitely call me. I am 24/7 available. Only when I'm speaking, I'm not available, or I'm sleeping, I'm not available. But I'm always available for you. So just wanted to tell you that love you all. God bless you, and be strong. Be strong. Change your persona.
हाँ, Mr.
Thank
George,
you. Thank you
sorry,
very much, sir.
sorry to interrupt.
Yes,
The
yeah.
way the interaction took place, the way they put boldly their feelings, I think that itself is an validation for your wonderful interaction session today. And Dr. Mahesh Shinde and we all definitely will have a longer association on many endeavor front. Personally, I thank you for sparing time
Thank you.
and compliment Mahesh Sarkar for arranging this wonderful session. And also thanks students for their lovely presence. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, we will see. I'll share the next session will be on Sunday, and George sir session will be on the Monday, same timing. I'll share the link and everything. Thank you very much. See you soon.
Thank you.